The unique geographical conditions in the Netherlands have forced us to cope with the elements since the earliest inhabitants settled here in this country. The increasing population and lack of space creates new challenges, compelling us to continue to innovate. Social changes and technological developments ensure that innovation continues to be one of the main areas of focus of the Dutch construction industry. Pushing our boundaries to find new solutions in our buildings for these new challenges on both technical and conceptual level is something that has inspired us for centuries and characterizes us to this day. The international architectural firm Pino Architects in Rotterdam is a company that designs buildings based on this philosophy. Pino Architects is specialized in high-rise building constructions and innovation. One of these innovations is the shipbuilding tower. Interestingly, the building only has 2 apartments per floor. This means that one can live up high above, enjoying both the view and their privacy. This makes it possible to build on a minimum surface area whilst achieving a very considerable building height.
Welcome to the entrance of Shipbuilding Tower, a very special project for the city of Rotterdam. It's a high-rise project of 27 floors on a lot of only 430 square meters. The project was created in the last 5 years. It was really special in that sense is that we created a plan with only 2 apartments per floor, and in the top of the tower we have only 1 apartment per floor. Now, as you can see, this creates a magnificent view over the city center of Rotterdam. What was so special is that it's an H construction. So it means that both outside triggered walls are supporting the whole building structure. With Shipbuilding Tower, we accomplished what we really wanted to do for the inhabitants, creating these magnificent views of the city and of the river and the world port city of Rotterdam.
The newest concept of Pino Architects is the Lotustower. One of the main advantages is that this tower will entirely consist of prefab elements.
We are structural engineers and we are glad to be a partner in the Lotus project. For the Lotus project, we made a very efficient structural design, and in this design we are going to use these precast elements. These precast elements make it able to reduce the building time with 1/3. So that's a very economic advantage.
The tower is part of an urban design cluster which includes 8 Lotus towers. Water from condensation on the building facades is stored around the project's base in a pond. This water is used to create a green environment around the base of the towers. Water is pumped up by the electricity generated from the top tower's windmills. Lotus is a high-rise concept which can be built in accordance with the latest environmentally friendly solutions. The Lotus project is about shaping buildings with a new approach on high-rise density living, hospitality and offices. Together with local partners, we can realize this special project for you.